Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, I have given you the topic to speak on. The topic was given you a little late, but let's see how many of you is ready to speak on that given topic. The topic was importance of education. आप लोगों को फ्राइडे में कोटेशन खत्म, ठीक है। इसी तरीके से सैटरडे में वर्ड्स मीनिंग खत्म, ठीक है। पूरे के पूरा जो पेज है आपका, 2 पेजों के सेंटेंसेस बना के लेके आने हैं आपको कल, ठीक है। और ये मैं इस वक्त तो आपको बता रहा हूँ, आइंदा बताऊंगा नहीं, अपने आप ही 2 पेजेस के लाने हैं आपको, ठीक है। 1 पेज का तो हो गया था। जो तीसरा और चौथा, सॉरी, दूसरे नंबर का थर्ड वन एंड द सेकंड वन पेजेस हैं, उनके सारे के सारे वर्ड्स के सेंटेंसेस आपको बना कर आने हैं, ठीक है जी। पहले अपना दिमाग यूज करना, वो नहीं कर पा रहे हो ज्यादा तो चैट जीपीटी की हेल्प ले लेना, लेकिन आपको वर्ड को इस्तेमाल करना आना चाहिए, सीधी सीधी बात, ठीक है। तो इसको आप कल ही करके लाइएगा। जी भाई साहब, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ, अच्छा इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज था, चलिए कोई बात नहीं, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पे बोल दीजिएगा। कौन कौन आ रहा है, इधर आइए जी। इनवाइट आदिल शेख प्लीज।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम भाई, यस।
Sir, I prepared just a small
नॉट अ
topic.
बिग डील, प्लीज प्लीज।
Today, I want to talk on the topic that is importance of the English language. English is the most common language in the world. We use it in business, science, and internet. Knowing English gives us more opportunities in life. We can get a better job and talk to different people from anywhere. So, knowing English gives us more opportunities. We should try to learn and improve our English. Thank you.
इनक्रेडिबल, स्पोक वेल, माशाल्लाह आदिल बहुत अच्छा बोले
Jazakallah.
हैं, विदाउट एनी प्रिपरेशन, गजब। ब्रदर अकबर प्लीज।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
मेरे अजीज प्लीज।
Yeah, Bismillah. So my today's topic is the importance of an English. So we can say the English is the most widely spoken language in the worldwide. And for the Indian, English is not shows the attitude and the status, the educations, and the how the person's the growing is depends on the how they can communicate well in the English, right? If you want to go outside and want to learn further from the or I mean the onboard, abroad side, so you have to clear an English examinations that's called the IELTS and other examinations that show that you are eligible to work and for the education for the another countries, right? So these are the really importance. And in terms of the growth, if we are working in any IT professions or any company, so English is play the very big role for your growth. Without English, you cannot grow in your current position. If you want to improve your personal and the professional growth, and if you want to improve your positions from the junior to the senior level, then you have to be a very good command on the English conversation speak. Suppose if you have a very, you are sitting in the meeting where the senior board member and other senior members are communicating to each other, and you have a very good suggestion based on the some products, but you are not a very well good communicator and you are not able to speak in English. So even you have a capability, you can't express your thoughts. That's why it's a hurdle for your growth. So this is how I can, I have prepared these small things regarding the English. So yeah, this is all from my side, sir. Thank you so
इनक्रेडिबल,
much.
स्पोक अमेजिंग, बेहतरीन बोले हैं, क्या बात है ब्रदर अकबर, माशाल्लाह। शगुफ्ता नाज, बेहतरीन बोले हैं, माशाल्लाह।
वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम। आइंदा से हर बच्चे के लिए, या वो बच्चे जो तैयारी करके आएंगे, पहला कैमरा ऑन करने वालों को बुलाऊंगा, बाद में जिनका कैमरा बंद होगा उनको, ठीक है। ये कैमरा ऑन करके ही बोलना जरूरी है आपके लिए, लेकिन बच्चियां हैं, मैं उन पर कुछ जोर नहीं देता, बच्चों के लिए तो जरूरी है भाई साहब। ठीक है, बच्चियों का अगर जी चाहे तो खोल लें, बेहतर रहेगा उनके लिए, बाकी कोई मसले की बात नहीं। प्लीज बाबू।
Mm, Today the topic is talking about why English language is important. English language is one of the most professional language used in all over the world. If you don't know English, people might be think you are less educated.
हम्म।
It is very difficult if you shift any another country.
हम्म।
Uh, if you shift any other country, definitely you don't know about local language. So from there, English language will help you to read the boards, bus boards, and you easily find out the route where you have to go. Um, Today, English language will be used in schools, colleges, office, companies. If you don't know English languages, you can't able to communicate with your colleagues. You can't understandable the what problems are going during the project work. Next, English language is help help in science, technology, and business. Then it is very important uh, to learn English in future. It help you to get better opportunity in jobs, uh, and if housewife will know correct English, they will properly guide your children's. You can bring up your children's. Overall, it is very important to improve the English. Thank you, sir.
शाबाश, अच्छी बच्ची है गुप्ता, बहुत बढ़िया बोली बाबू आप, माशाल्लाह। अरीशा बेटे।
Assalamualaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Okay. The first thing that comes to in my mind related to the English language. English is a very crucial language. If we want to survive in this world, so we have to know about the English language. Just because of nowadays, English is spoken by the 983 million people. 983 million people is spoken by this language, and English is the third most popular language in this world. If we want to survive in this world, we know to about the English language. And if we want to get the good job, good, if we want a good job and a good career in our life, so this is the very crucial and very important to know about the English language. And it's my personal experience when I was before these classes, when I would go outside and I would meet someone, professional English speaker. So like the professional teachers and the good businessmen, they're always talking to me in English, but I was not able to. Then I made up my mind. I need to learn English, and English is a very important language to survive in this world. And English is the medium of, we can put on our thoughts in front of everybody, native speaker, our foreigner, and we are going to outside. It's very important to know about the English language. Our native language is Hindi, but everybody don't know about the Hindi. But if we are going outside, we know about the English, so we can communicate with other person very easily. And we can order, and if we are go outside and we are going to cafe, restaurant, the hotel, we can book our room easily by the English language. And we can order our food and everything. And it's a very important language, and I realize this is a very important language. This is I choose That's why I choose to learn English, and everybody learn to English language, and it's a very necessary for everybody. Nowadays, most of the people thoughts about the English language. It's not like this. Someone person thought about me, Arisha, why are you learning this language? It's not a big deal. Everybody can speak. So I told them, so you can speak English. So they always, oh, sorry, I can't speak English. So why are you say this? Okay, this is not a big deal. So if you can't do this, so it's a really big deal. So if you don't know, it's a very big deal. So that's why it's a very good and crucial for living in this world.
ओके बेटा, इनक्रेडिबल मेरा बेटा, बहुत जोरदार बोला है बच्चा, क्या बात है, शाबाश। हनी आओ।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Our topic is the importance of English language. First thing that English is one of the most important language in the world. It is spoken and understood in many countries across the globe. English is called a global or international language. It connects people. It's connect people from different countries and culture. In today modern world, English is used in almost every field. English is the language of science, computer, and technology. Most of the internet content, books, and article are in English. It is the main. It is the main language used in international communication. If we know English, we can travel and communicate anyway easily. Tourists, businessmen, and student often use English to talk to others. English play a big role in education. Many schools and colleges teach us English. Good English helps students understand subject better. It is also helpful for student who wants to study abroad. Okay, sir.
ग्रेट मेरा बेटा, अमेजिंगली स्पोक, बहुत शानदार बोली बेटी आप, क्या बात है। तजीम आओ बेटी।
Yes, sir. On focusing on the importance of the English language, I would say that it is a very prime language, or it's key language to learn, because it opens the doors of opportunities for us, because it connects the people worldwide. It's a global language used in business, travel, and education. English opens doors to opportunities, enabling communication with diverse groups and diverse nations, diverse countries. If we are efficient in English, it enhance job prospects, and it also develop our personal growth. It facilitates access to vast era of information online. Moreover, English is a language of technology and science, maybe because it is enabling our collaboration, our daily life collaboration and innovation, whether it's traveling, studying abroad, or any other course, or advancing in careers. English is very efficient and very valuable. Overall, my review is only based on the that how we can master the English, and how we can open the doors of opportunities for us, as as it opens our doors that for the job opportunities. Mastering English enriches our lives and broadens horizons, interconnected in this interconnected world. So this was my review on English language importance.
बेहतरीन बोली बच्ची, जबरदस्त, माशाल्लाह मेरी बेटी, बहुत अच्छी फ्लुएंसी है बेटी, जबरदस्त बोली आप माशाल्लाह। इकरा प्लीज। शाबाश। वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Today I am going to speak about the importance of English language. English is one of the most widely spoken language in this world. Most of the books, internet content, and technology are available in English. Hello?
बोलिए बोलिए बेटा।
Knowing English opens the door to knowledge, jobs, and education. It helps connect with people across the world. It is used office, college, and almost every field. If we learn English, we get more opportunity in life. So we all should try to speak, read, and write in English. It may be difficult at first, but with practice, we can become better.
ओके, अच्छी बच्ची, शाबाश, बढ़िया बोली बेटी। जेबा।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। यस।
There is no doubt that every language holds its own importance. But when we talk about English language, it is a language spoken in every corner of the world.
Zeba,
That's why
voice
it
is
is
not
given.
clear. Voice is not clear, Babu.
Sorry, sir.
And now is clear. Now continue.
Okay, sir. There is no doubt that every language holds its own importance. but when we talk about English language, it's a universal language spoken nearly in every corner of the world. That's why it gives more significance. It's a more significant language because it is spoken in every culture, in every country, and it is very important because if we can master it, if we can speak English fluently, we can make friends in every country, and we can socialize big language, and my native language isn't spoken here. That's why if I can speak English, I can communicate with these people, and I can know about this culture that I really love it. Spoken English is so important because it makes you more confident, and it makes your personality impressive, attractive, and you can talk with anybody. You can talk with in every point. You can keep your point of view in front of any people that you don't know about, and it's like in this era, it is era of development, it is era of science and technology, and if you want benefits from science and technologies, you have to speak English, you have to know about English, that you can get benefit of this science and technologies. And it is so important because it's a universal language, and you can communicate with people, you can make friends with in the whole world, and it is useful in making your careers. There are many more people who are so talented but failed in building their careers because they can't speak English properly. So my dear friends, if we have platform like Zakaria sir, then we have to get benefit from this, and we have to get full benefit from this, and we have to learn English, and we have to speak fluent English. Inshallah.
Great,
Thank you, sir.
माशाल्लाह, बहुत बढ़िया, अच्छा है, great. ग्रेट जेबा, बेहतरीन बोली बाबू, आप जबरदस्त। थोड़ा सा वॉइस की हो रही है, हाँ, जैसे अब वॉइस आ रही ना, ऐसी नहीं आ रही थी, बहुत स्लो आ रही थी, बहुत स्लो। चलिए खैर, ओके, चलिए शाबाश। नेक्स्ट मनाम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम भाई साहब।
Today's topic of my talk is importance of English. It is very important to learn English language. English is the world's language. It is a language. It is a language that keeps us connected with the whole world. English itself a very beautiful language. English language fills our personality with confidence. It plays a vital role in all over the world. Inshallah, I also become master in English like our beloved Zakaria sir, with the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Jazakallahu khair.
आमीन। मेरा बेटा मनाम बहुत अच्छी बच्ची है माशाल्लाह। यास्मीन मलिक, शाबाश।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
सलाम। हाँ, मेरी बेटी कनीज देख के पढ़ लेंगे, नहीं हो रही।
English is important in our life because English is spoken and understood in many countries. It helps us communicate with people from other places. It helps in education, many schools and college subject in English and exams in English. Most companies want people who can speak English well. It helps us good job in India and other countries. Speak English connect us to the world and other people. Internet, social media most used English. It gives us knowledge, help us connect from people. English use travel when we will go to other countries, help us talk and understood each other.
Great, mashallah. बढ़िया बच्ची, अच्छा पढ़ाया. Next, Asmao.
Importance in English. English is the most widely spoken in second language in the world and the official language in 53 countries. This makes it a bridge language that connects people from different cultures and language backgrounds, fostering in international understanding and collaboration. Travel. Knowing English can
Okay, बेटे असमा, आपने जबान याद नहीं किया बेटे? लेकिन अच्छा पढ़ रही है बच्ची का, पढ़ने का अंदाज अच्छा है, माशाल्लाह. जबान याद करना, निकत आओ.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
Importance of English language. English language is the most important in the world. It is spoken in every country. It is helps us to learn new things from the book and the internet and other people. In the future, English helps us to get a better job, and many companies need to the people who can speak better English and write good, very well. And in the school, if we know English, then we can get good marks and we can understand science, computer, and other topics in English. So it is very useful language. It helps to communicate with other people and other countries. So it is everyone should try to speak English, and today in this generation English is very important to learn English.
Okay, अच्छा है बाबू, शाबाश. कनीज आओ बेटी.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Please.
Today I say something about important of English language. Whenever we listen a word's important, that means something is very valuable or useful for us. Here also when I said only English language, so everyone think I said something about one language that's name in English. But when I use this word important, so think I say something very valuable things with you. You know your teacher also sometimes say this is a very important questions, it is very valuable, that's why they said you. Today I say important of English language. What is English language, why nowadays it is a very important for us, and why people get a much important to English language. English language is is also one of the language just like Hindi, Urdu, but we don't use mostly this language because your mother tongue is Urdu, Hindi, Marathi, according to your state or depend on your family. It is the primary language for international communications. Nowadays, most of courses are available in English, mostly the international courses, because we know Hindi, Urdu, but other people who don't live in India, they can't speak Hindi or Urdu, but they understand English. Many jobs and career opportunities. Nowadays, many companies check your resume. If your English communication is good, they give you job. Most of company first check your English, then they check your skills. Internet and technology, there we also use the English language. Computer understand machinery language, but first you write and think whatever you want in English, then it's convert it into machinery language. English is important for traveling. If you go outside of country like Saudi Arabia, if you don't speak, if you have no idea any about Arabic language, that time you speak in English. I just say for importance of English. It is infinite importance of English language. So focus on your English language if you want to success in your life. So learn properly English language.
अरे बेटी बहुत अच्छी बच्ची कनी शाबाश हजरा हजरा प्लीज
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
जी
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today my topic is importance of the English language. First of all, I want to say English is not just a language. It is a global key. It connects to people from the different countries and different cultures. So it is the most commonly spoken and understood language in the world. So in education, business, travel, and technology, English plays a vital role. So knowing English opens the door better jobs, opportunities, and global communication, and access the information, as most content online is in English. So in short, English help us grow personally and professionally. It builds confidence and it makes us a part of the global world.
ग्रेट
That's it.
बढ़िया बच्ची माशाल्लाह अच्छा बोली मैं वो आप जुनैरा आए गुड़िया
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम
Yeah, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce. Today, my topic is English, importance of English language. English is the key to the world. It helps us to study, to get a good job, and communicate to the people everywhere. It gives us confidence to connect with the world. And learning English can make you dreams come true. I will give you one suggestion. If you don't know English, don't be late. Connect with this channel and learn English. Definitely, you will be able to speak within a short period. Thank you, sir.
बेहतरीन बच्ची बहुत अच्छा गुड़िया जुनैरा शाबाश नेक्स्ट नाज़रीन आए
Assalamu sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम
Today the topic is the importance of English language. English language is a worldwide language. It's used to the international communication and acting bridge between the two people, two cultures and the languages. A large portion of the world, the language including to the online content, research paper, and etc. English language is a golden key to connect two pupils, between two pupils. When we are going to the airport, hotel, malls, and etc. other country, we have no knowledge about the English. We are not survived there. So that's the thing. We are very important to the English language. So English language is a very important in our. That's it.
ओके ग्रेट बच्ची माशाल्लाह बढ़िया बोली हैं आप तो जी शाइस्ता आइए
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
जी मिसबा
Today,
बच्चियां दो माशाल्लाह चलिए या कंटिन्यू
today I'm going to share with all of you topic is importance of language. If you don't know the English language, even if you are educated people, don't respect you these days, and you can't do any professional work to anywhere. I'm truly saying this is my personal experience. English is the most common second language in the world. So if you meet someone from another country, English language helps to us to connect to any person easily. And English language gives us a better job opportunity. And English is a critical skill for many careers. And learning the English language opens the door to a world of information and opportunities for continuous learning. And English is a powerful tool for personal and professional growth.
ओके अच्छी बच्ची माशाल्लाह बढ़िया दानिया आइए
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
हम देखो ऐसे बोलो दानिया की तरह मतलब आप कैमरा बंद है आपका ठीक है लेकिन जब बारी आए कम से कम तब तो खोल लो भैया आओ बेटी
Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to speak about the topic, importance of English language. English is an English is the international standard language of communication, acting as a bridge between different cultures and countries. In our daily life, it is very difficult to expand our knowledge and communicate without English because many books, magazines, and journals are printed in English language, and many college universities provide their courses in English language. More job opportunities are available for the person who can speak in English. English also widens the scope of expanding the scope of business at the international language. It also plays a crucial role in the field of research. It allows the communicating and collaborating with the scientists from all over the world. Thank you.
Okay, बढ़िया बच्ची, माशाल्लाह, बढ़िया बोली. Sophia, बेटी.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Yes.
Today I'm going to talk about importance of English. English is the most important and widely spoken language in the world. People in many countries use English to talk, write, and share ideas. It is called an international language because it makes people from different countries communicate with each other. English is used in many areas of life such as education, business, travel, and science and technology. Most of the informations on the internet is in English, and many books, movies are also in English.
Okay, great, बेटा, माशाल्लाह, बढ़िया बोली बच्ची. अतिया.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. Please.
Today's topic is importance of English language. English is useful language. People all over the world speak it. It helps us in schools, and jobs. We can talk to people from other countries. Learn English make us future bright. English is a global language. Many countries is spoken in English language. It helps people from different nations communicate with each other. Most international books, movies, and websites are in English language. It is the language of science, technology, and innovation. It connects people in business, travels, and education, etc. Learning English builds confidence in spoken and writing is very important for everyone. Thank you, sir.
Okay, बढ़िया बच्ची, माशाल्लाह, अच्छा बोली बाबू. सुमैया बतूल, please. इनके बाद अब कोई मत आइएगा.
English is the most widely spoken second language in the world. English is the business language for many international companies. Knowing English can open doors to better jobs and promotions. It's often a requirement in industries like IT, tourism, aviation, and media. English is spoken by over 1.5 billion people worldwide. It is the official or second language. Most international textbooks, scientific papers, and courses are in English. Entrance exam like IELTS and competitive exams often include English. English helps students learn and access global knowledge. English is the language of international business and job markets. Knowing English can help you get jobs and multinational companies, tourism. It proves your chances in interviews and promotions. It allows you to enjoy global entertainment and news. English is useful when traveling to foreign countries.
शाबाश, माशाल्लाह, अच्छा है, बढ़िया बोली बाबू आप. जी देखिए, आइंदा से एक दो बात का ख्याल रखना है. अब आपको मैंने बताया भी था, आपके यूं समझिए 40 डेज हैं आपके पास. ठीक है, ये बैच के 40 डेज हैं. बस इसमें ही आपको जोरदार अंदाज में मेहनत करनी है. ठीक है, आपको पता है अब आपका लेवल ऊपर ही जाएगा, नीचे आने का सवाल नहीं पैदा होगा. आज के टॉपिक ने बता दिया होगा आप लोग को. आइंदा से भी टॉपिक मिलेगा. उन बच्चों को प्रायोरिटी दूंगा जिनके कैमराज ऑन होंगे. और मैं करता यही हूं कि जब बच्चे कुछ रह जाते हैं तो उनसे विद इन 10 मिनट्स वीडियो ही मंगवाता हूं. उनसे वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करके 10 मिनट्स में भेजिए. ठीक है, उससे बच्चा वो जो कैमरा बंद करके पढ़ रहा है, हो सकता है वो इस वजह से पढ़ रहा हो कि यहाँ पर मैं कैमरा नहीं ऑन करना चाह रहा. ठीक है, तो मत करिए. लेकिन वैसे तो कर सकते हो आप साइड से। अच्छा चलो, चेहरे की तरह समझ देना, पीछे रख लेना कैमरा, फिर बोल के भेज देना, मुझे पता चलेगा आप ही बोल रहे हो। देख के मत पढ़ना, बस देख के नहीं पढ़ना है, ये सीधी सीधी बात है। तो यहाँ मैं क्लास में उन्हीं बच्चों को बुलाऊंगा, मैं आपको पहले बता रहा हूँ, जिनके कैमराज मुझे ऑन मिलेंगे, ठीक है। ये मैं हर, अब आपका लेवल चूंकि ऊपर है, एडवांस लेवल पे कदम रख दिया है आपने, अब सारी चीजें वही चलेंगी। 1 से 10 दिन के अंदर अंदर पूरा पेसिव वॉइस खत्म होना है आपका। हम मंडे से आपको पेसिव वॉइस ही पढ़ाऊंगा मैं, ठीक है। 10 दिन के अंदर वो फिनिश। उसके बाद जो और चीजें हैं मजीद, वो इंशाल्लाह वो सिखानी है मुझे आप लोग को, ठीक है। कंडीशनल सेंटेंस ही दे रहे हैं अभी, वो भी चलो कोई नहीं, इसे आप एक दिन में सीख लोगे इंशाल्लाह, ठीक है। तो इसलिए आप बढ़िया तरीके से, बहुत शानदार वाली तैयारी के साथ आपको आना है। फिलहाल उनको बुलाइए, साइमा को। और जब एक चीज याद है तो कैमरा ऑन करने में भी कुछ नहीं रखा है ना बाबू, क्या है कैमरा ऑन करने में, कोई बात थोड़ी है।
Assalamualaikum, sir.
चला भैया गुड़िया।
So today I am going to speak on the given topic, which is importance of English language. So English is an international language. It's used by the world. We can use English we can connect with the people because of the English, as it is used by the people in the global world. We can connect with the people. It gives us the opportunity to do job in any company, because company hire quickly those people who are speaking English fluently, and it is very helpful to us that we can survive in any country in the world, and it helps us to be confident. It helps us to increase our increase, it helps us to make us bold. It helps us to sorry sir.
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं। देखो बच्चों, उसका तरीका बता रहा हूं मैं आपको। 2 तरीके हैं स्पीच के। पहला तरीका, चैट जीपीटी उस पर डाला आपने कि इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन पर, ये प्लीज गिव मी अ शॉर्ट स्पीच ऑन इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन। उसने अपने अल्फाज दे दिए आपको, बहुत सारे अल्फाज वो हैं, आपको पता ही नहीं उसके मीनिंग क्या है, उसका तरीका क्या है। उससे ज़रूर हेल्प लो, उसे लिखो, पहले अपने अल्फाज में भी लिखो, आपके पास क्या मटेरियल है एजुकेशन के बारे में हिंदी में, वो देखिए क्या है, उसको लिखिए, उसको कन्वर्ट करिए। आधे से ज़्यादा तभी याद हो जाएगा लिखते लिखते ही, वो समझ में आया। और चैट जीपीटी से उठाया हुआ मुमकिन है काफ़ी देर लगा दे याद होने में, समझ में आई बात। अपने अल्फाज इस्तेमाल करना, ज़्यादा फायदे में रहोगे। मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।